Today's the day. We're about to dig up red potatoes from my Vego raised bed. And honestly, I have no idea what we're going to get into. Welcome back, everybody. So, if you've been following my channel, you know that we overwintered some red potatoes back in October, I believe it was. And during one of the many cold winter blasts that we had this past winter, the vines died. And at the time, I wasn't too concerned about it because I figured that the potatoes would still be growing underneath. Well, come along with me while we check and see what we have. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to get something to put all the mulch in, and then we'll start hunting for potatoes. So we have a lot of the mulch removed, and now we're going to scrape the soil and move the soil to see what we have in the bed as far as potatoes. And we have a couple small ones here. Some more. There's a bigger one. Another one. Very small one. Very, very small baby ones. We have one small one and a centipede or millipede. We have another one. 2 more. That one's been eaten. Something was in the bed eating them, or eating some of them. Now I found a couple millipedes, so that's probably the culprit. So this is definitely not the harvest that I wanted, but it is the harvest that I anticipated. Because of the cold killing the green tops of the potatoes, I expected not to have a very large potato harvest, and that came true. However, some of these small potatoes have eyes on them, so I'm probably going to go ahead and plant them in the Vego cube and get a second, actually a third planting of potatoes for the season. And the rest of these, I'll probably cook a hamburger and cook these with some garlic and butter and be happy. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. I have the drip system for this bed running. It's been a very long while since I've actually ran it. I went ahead and added some more compost and some soil and some amendments to the bed so we can get it ready for planting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.